Hi, this is Raquel with Paints and Glitter. I welcome you to my channel if you're first visiting me today. I just wanted to come along and show you some winnings. I won a little prize voucher, sorry for my pronunciation, from Craftworld. Craftworld is an international website that you may have heard me mention in the past. I decided to start sharing my work there because it is a huge forum. It reminds me of a forum that I used to share my work on and learn from many years ago, and I can't remember the name of it right now. But in any case, it's a lot of fun. There are a lot of groups within it, and you can do live classes. You can listen to podcasts. If you haven't heard of Sandy Nagel, who is Decorate Your Life here on YouTube, she's on there as well, and she's a contributor to the site, so I highly recommend you follow her there. I've also started sharing bits and pieces of the things that I've done, and one of the things that I did was share I can't remember now, but in any case, I shared something that I made. You can contribute anything you like, the pictures that you've made, your YouTube channel, just everything that you do that's crafty. And every once in a while, I guess they pick someone to win for either Crafter of the Week or someone to keep an eye on, that sort of thing. So, and you're nominated by other crafters there, which I think is phenomenal. So I won a voucher to Craft Stash, which happens to be a store that I am affiliated with. So I was super excited because I knew that they have all of the product that I absolutely love using, and I go back and forth between Craft Stash and Tonic Studios, which those are my two favorite places to shop, really. So I went ahead and used my voucher or coupon, and I got these Tonic Studios dies that I was loving from the first sight. Love at first sight. In any case, I wanted to get these, and I'm going to show them to you. And what I really loved about this is that they did come with a stamp set, and I absolutely love stamping too. So this is an entire set, and the reason I wanted it was, outside of the fact that I know Tonic Studios has wonderful product, they're high quality, and they stand behind their product, is the fact that these are dies that you could use any time of the year with just about any theme, so they're kind of universal, and the stamps make it even more so. So let me show you the stamps first, and I'll take them out of here so you don't get the glare. And just so you know, I will be leaving a link to this down below. If you are interested in picking this up, it's actually at a great price right now over at Craft Stash US, and you can pick this entire bundle up. Please use my link if you do so. It will help my channel, and I will appreciate it so much. It's a simple link that's right below on the description bar of this video, my link tree. If you click on that, it'll take you to precisely this item, okay, which is the entire bundle. So here are the stamps. This is all for you. This kind of little leaf pattern there, just to say, and more little vine swirls. Simply wonderful. You brighten my day. Butterflies. This one says good luck with the little rainbow and stars and the 4-leaf clover. This one says always and forever, thinking of you on this day, celebrating you. And this has the, of course, the little bottle with the champagne popping out. And there's this little, I forgot the name of that, but in any case, this one says you made my day, with little flowers. And as you can tell, it's very delicate. I think it's just there's a lot of whimsy behind it, which I love. This one says I would be lost without you. Today, wear the biggest smile. I love that. I think it's so cute. This one says, so grateful to be your friend. Have the most wonderful day with all my heart inside of a heart. A little rose, sending hugs, something to celebrate your special day. And let's see here. Thank you so much, and happy birthday to you. So you wouldn't be missing anything really, because you could use these for just about every occasion that you can think of. I'm thinking here, for example, even for a sympathy card, for instance, you could send the or use the sending hugs. that sort of thing. But then all of the other ones are celebratory, of course, and encouraging, which I think is wonderful. Then here are the dies, and this one's called Deco Floor Layering Frame. So there's the image of that. And of course the stamps are created to fit right inside of each one of these, which I think is wonderful. So that one cuts out that light orange layer that you see there. That is going to be a layer. And then this one with the swirls, this one here has the little flowers and leaves and all of that. And then this one, which is absolutely gorgeous. So pretty. Then there is this one, and I love anything with a lattice. You know, as soon as I see a lattice on something, forget it. I want it. This one it also has little roses that cut out of that, and I think that is so absolutely beautiful. And these are considered verso dies. If you don't know what that means, it means that the patterns will cut into the paper, but the and sorry for the glare, it won't necessarily cut out the edge on some of the dies. However, these do have the layers that then you can use, so that way you do have a border. For instance, if you were to use 3 of these dies together, you could get that pattern here where it's all solid with just one edge. However, you get all of these items that cut out of your paper. And I hope that makes sense, but of course I'm going to be making samples. I just think they're gorgeous. So again, this one is Rose Trellis, which is an apt name for that with all the roses. And then last but not least, there is Ravishing Swirls, which I know Jody Johnson from Tonic got a kick out of the name of this die set. So it'll always make me think of her every time I see it, just because of the name. I just think she's got an amazing sense of humor. So here's that. And of course, it's a gorgeous oval. And there's all of the swirls that go along with that, and here is that center piece. And of course, layered up, you can make shakers with these. You can really just, you know, make them as elaborate as you like. But as I said before, if you're interested in these items, feel free to use my link down below. They are there at your convenience with no extra fees. You're not going to get charged any more for that. And then I recently did a tiny little haul, and I tend to put my items away and then kind of forget. So, oops, I'm going to cover that up. So I just want to show you here. I did stop at Hobby Lobby and get some Paper Studio products. These were at a 50% discount, I think it is. And I did pick some up. One of them, trying to think, yeah, one of them it will be included in my giveaway, but I do believe the colors are a little bit different. But I really like these because they have that gold on them, and I think that's so elegant. It's so pretty. So I'm going to actually try that on the other gems. I'm going to try to see if I can put gilding flakes on them, and I'll let you guys know how that works out. So there's these. I thought this color palette, particularly the pink, I wish they had it all in pink, but I thought this would be great for upcoming cards. And of course, bees. I love bees, so I had to get that. Actually, my husband pointed those out, so and if you know us personally, then you would know why. I also got some milled lavender distress oxide ink because of all the colors that are really pastel and beautiful. This was one I did not have, so I took advantage and used a coupon on that. And then I had recently picked up some Nuvo Drops, and these were at a great price because Tonic had a sale. And again, there's links below for you to pick up any of these items if you want to browse the pages. It'll all be there. So this one in particular, I wanted to show you guys. I guess I'll show you all of these. So, and I'm going to show you one more thing in a second. But this one is called a glow drop. So this one actually, see the top there? This lets you know this actually glows in the dark, if you can believe that. So I didn't realize that that's what I had selected, but once I got it, I was like, this might be interesting to play around. So this one is a crystal drop, and that one is in apple green. I happen to love green. I think it's wonderful for leaves and to go along with vines and things like that. And since I like flowers so much in crafting, I figured some green was necessary. This crystal drop here is in metallic blue ice. I'll be showing you a sample of that in 1 second, as well as this one, which is soft mint, gorgeous color. And then I picked up Did I show you this one? I don't remember. Crystal drop, by the way. I believe these are all crystal drops, except for this one. It's a glow drop. This one in particular is, let's see here, duck egg blue. It's just the softest blue. Absolutely adorable. And when you want just a hint of color on something, drops like these are just exceptional. And I love that they have it, just by the way, wanted to quickly mention that this one is a larger size. I'm trying to find the milliliters or ounces. I can't. Okay, so this one's 2 fluid ounces. So it's twice the size of the other ones, just about. And then I did pick up these glitters. This one's called Rainbow Quartz Triangles. I have a sample of that as well, but look at that. Holographic, absolutely gorgeous. And then these are the muted mauve hexagons. There's that. So lovely. I haven't used these yet, but let me show you the cards that I recently made. I did have a video on them. And in those cards, I used some of the drops. So let me show you that here. So here are a sample of those drops in the blue and green, as well as here. So you see they maintain their shine, and also that surface area there that's raised. So it gives dimension to your projects. You see it like that. Absolutely lovely. And then here on the edge is another Nuvo drop, but I don't think I mentioned the name of that one. Then the other one, let's see here, I have several cards around me that I've been working on. The other one that's in here. Okay, so on here, I also use that very light green color on this snowflake. And as you can tell, I did use antique, it's right here. Crystal drop, I'm sorry, it's a crystal drop in bubblegum blush. And this was just a little sampling that I had, so I did use that on that snowflake and these little berries. But then you also will see in here on the edges is where I used that glitter, and I absolutely love the way that turned out. So of course I do have a sample, or I'm sorry, a video on these cards. If you're interested, you can watch that on my channel. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys those items, and I hope that you enjoy this video. And if you have any questions, of course, feel free to reach out to me. There are a lot of things coming out this season. They're just spectacular from so many different companies, and I know it's really hard to choose. But if you do choose items from either Craft Stash or Tonic Studios, I just ask that you use my links. Of course I will. Of course I will. If you watch my channel, it'll be a huge support. It'll allow me to host better giveaways, of course, which is something that I would love to do, because I do want to share what I'm able to do, and also what I'm able to share as far as product is concerned. So that would be a wonderful support. And as I always say, I hope that you can be inspired and be blessed. And I thank you for watching. Have a great evening.